how to add Google Drive, suggested files, and search widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on widgets. In here, we scroll down and tap on Drive. Next, drag the suggested files widget to your home screen and drop it here. Next, you can readjust the size of the widget. You can make it taller or wider simply by dragging on one of the handles here. And that's it. So the bottom part are the suggested files and the top part is the search widget. So you can tap on it to search for anything in your drive. So here I'm going to look for scan documents. So scan documents in there. And that's it. If you no longer need the widget, you can touch and hold onto that and then tap on remove, and that will allow you to delete the widget. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.